I look a mess. What's up? Haven't posted in forever. Just don't know what to post. I feel like posting makeup tutorials back to back is so boring. But like, that's what I'm gonna do because I don't know what else to do, you know? Decided to film a makeup tutorial because I haven't in forever and I feel really sad. I feel like that's how I feel whenever I do film makeup tutorials. I'm just really sad. And the look I'm gonna be doing is this look I just saw in Alan's video. I don't know, like, he's a YouTuber. I'll insert a picture of the makeup that he did. I'm not subscribed to him, but I watch like almost all of his videos. Update, I just subscribed to his channel. And my hair looks really bad right here. So just ignore that. Okay. It looks like he did like a half cut crease, just like something pretty simple. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I guess I'm gonna talk about my life, even though y'all probably don't give a shit. I started my senior year of high school, and so far it's been anticlimactic. Tomorrow we have senior sunrise, and that's basically like when all the seniors go to the parking lot and like watch the sunrise, obviously. And I'm kind of excited because I'm a sunset hungry hoe. Anything to do with the sky, like, I'm about that shit. Some more school related news. I take my senior pics, my senior portrait, this Saturday. And originally I wasn't gonna take them just because I don't care. So I'm taking it, and of course I'm breaking out. So that's cute. And okay, so the thing about me in school pictures is that I always look busted in all of them. I always told myself, like, I don't care if I look busted in my yearbook pictures unless it's my senior one. You know, so I would be talking to God and I'd be like, listen, if these bad pictures are just gonna lead up to a good senior picture, I'm okay with it, you know, I'm chilling. So that better be the friggin' case, because I am not about to look ugly. Yearbook picture. Apparently you gotta take like pictures, you take your pictures and then you're the one who chooses them. So like, that's better than them choosing one. They really don't care. Cause like one year, I had like one of the photographers, she was taking my picture and like I had my glasses on like I always do, and she kept telling me to like angle my chin down so I wouldn't have a glare. So literally I look like this. Oh my gosh, bro, when that picture came in I was so upset. And then my friends still make fun of me to this day about that picture, and if I have it I'll insert it because oh my god, my cut creases are just getting worse and worse as I do makeup. They'll just never be good. I don't know if he said it with white. Honestly, all I know is that he did a pink on one eye and yellow on the other eye. This makeup tutorial is going bad. It's going so bad. I am so sorry. This looks so bad. Ew. Bro, last night I had the best sleep of my life. Oh my god. I don't really have much to talk about, as you can see. And remember when I said this was going to be a simple makeup look? I fucked it up. I'm going to do winged eyeliner because I'm shitty at it. And I want to get better. And this makeup tutorial already looks bad. I just remembered that I'm dissecting a rat tomorrow. This video was pointless. I'm sorry that I wasted your time. I hope you liked hearing about my life, but if you didn't, I'm sorry.